Lemonade for sale.
All right, George, very carefully cut the lemon. Put those fingers back. Good job. Awesome. All right, now Henry's gonna do the squeezing. You got your squeezer juicer ready, Henry?
Yay!
Okay, I'm gonna hold the bottom for you. All right, let's see that juice. Oh, squish it down. Good job. Squish it. All right, twist it, Henry. Whoa, look at all that juice. Now that we have our squeezed lemon, we need 3 more things. We need sugar,
Sugar.
water,
Water.
and we need a pitcher. Good job, you guys.
Dun, 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 dun.
Carefully. That water. Good job, Henry.
It's filling up. Why is
It
that?
is. It's filling up.
It's not filled up now. My mommy.
It's filling up.
Yep.
Okay, Lydia, you can go ahead with the sugar. Go ahead. Good job. Woohoo!
She got some. She got some on me.
Good job, Lydia.
But that's
All right, Henry, go ahead with the ice. That looks delicious.
lemonade for sale. Lemonade for sale.
Lydia, why are you selling lemonade? Why are you selling lemonade?
Because I need to fill up my pool.
You need to fill up your pool. What? We already filled up your pool. What happened?
It's going down, down, down.
It's going down, down, down. We had to let all the water out. How come?
How dare you?